one. I love it so much because it's my favorite cat, and my friend Molly and Faith has it too. So we'll all have the same one. I thank you for letting us buy these toys.
What else did she get?
And I got a new High School Musical trick or treat bag. See? We love you.
Dylan, what'd you get?
Bye-bye. I got a flashlight and Batman and a thing for Halloween.
A thing to carry it, and then you got, what's this?
Batman.
And then what's that in your other one?
I don't know his name again.
No, but what's this?
Flashlight.
Show it to JoJo. What do you say to JoJo and Ron Daddy?
Goodbye.
No, you say thank you because they get all that for you. Look at me. What do you say to them?
Thank you.
What else do you tell them?
What?
What else do you tell them?
Hello.
You say I love you?
I love you. Oh, this is
Haley?
little puppy. And
What do you say?
thank you.